Pause for a second. Before you scroll, ask yourself this one question. If nothing changes, will your life look any different by the end of this year? Same habits, same distractions, same promises you made to yourself and quietly broke. Allah reminds us, indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because days pass and life stays on repeat. Weeks turn into months, and suddenly another year is gone. But this moment, right now, is not random. It's a checkpoint, a chance to reflect before time moves forward again. 2026 is not just another year on the calendar. It's a chance to rise after setbacks. A chance to become the man you promised yourself you'd be. So if you're tired of regretting the same things every year, stay with me. Because this video is about making the greatest comeback of your life, even if the year has already begun. Give me a few minutes, and I'll show you how to make 2026 the year your life changes direction. 1. Accept the past without letting it define you. You cannot start a comeback while fighting your past. What happened has already happened. Mistakes were made, time was wasted, opportunities were missed. Strong men don't deny this. They accept it, not with shame, but with clarity. Your past is not your prison, it's your lesson. And once you extract the lesson, you stop carrying the pain. A man who keeps reliving yesterday will never dominate tomorrow. 2. Decide who you are becoming. Identity first. A real comeback does not start with motivation, it starts with identity. Motivation fades, emotions change, but identity decides how you act when no one is watching. The real question is not, what should I do to change my life, but who must I become for my life to change? Because actions follow identity. A disciplined man naturally makes disciplined choices. A focused man protects his time without forcing himself. A strong believer lives with direction, not confusion. If you keep seeing yourself as your old self, you will keep repeating old habits. In 2026, stop negotiating with the version of you that failed and start living as the version of you that wins. Think like him, move like him, and make decisions as if that future self is already watching you. 3. Kill the habits that kept you stuck. You cannot build a new life on old habits. Endless scrolling, late nights, comfort addiction, half-effort living. These habits didn't ruin you overnight, but they silently delayed who you were meant to become. Allah warns us, and do not follow desire, for it will lead you away from the path of Allah. A real comeback begins when you say, I don't live like this anymore. Not next month, not after motivation. Now. So write in the comments which habit you are going to kill. 4. Build ruthless daily discipline. Discipline is not motivation. It's a daily structure you follow, no matter how you feel. Real discipline is simple, boring, and powerful. Wake up with intention, pray on time, move your body, focus deeply on your work, and sleep with purpose. You don't need a perfect routine or a dramatic transformation. You need a routine you can repeat even on hard days. Small actions, done daily, compound quietly. And by the end of 2026, those same small actions will expose every excuse you once believed and replace them with self-respect, strength, and control over your life. 5. Focus on one mission, not everything. Most men fail not because they lack talent, but because they are distracted. Too many goals, too many plans, too much noise. When everything matters, nothing truly moves forward. A powerful comeback requires ruthless focus. Choose one main mission for 2026. One skill to master, one area of life to dominate. Let the rest become secondary. When your focus sharpens, progress accelerates. 6. Embrace discomfort. That's where comebacks are forged. Comfort keeps you average. Discomfort builds legends. Early mornings when your body wants sleep, hard conversations you've been avoiding, training on days you feel tired, working when no one is watching. Your comeback will not feel exciting or easy at the start. It will feel unfamiliar, even uncomfortable. But that feeling is proof you're leaving your old patterns behind. That's how you know you're changing. Every time you choose the harder path, you reshape who you are. This is how ordinary men rebuild themselves into something unrecognizable. 7. Strengthen your inner world. A man can look successful on the outside and still be broken inside. Reconnect with your Creator. Return to prayer. Speak honestly in dua. Allah reminds us in the Quran, indeed, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest. So clean your heart before chasing results, because a restless heart will never enjoy success. When your inner world is aligned, your decisions become clearer, your patience grows, and your outer life begins to organize itself naturally. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, hit like to show me. 8. Measure progress, not perfection. Perfection is a trap that kills momentum. Progress is what builds change. Track your days, review your weeks, and fix what's weak. Some days you'll win, some days you'll fall short, and both are part of growth. What matters is direction, not flawlessness. Every small improvement is evidence that change is happening. When you measure progress instead of perfection, your comeback becomes sustainable and real. 2026 doesn't need a different version of life. It needs a stronger version of you. The man you're becoming is built quietly, in discipline, in patience, in consistency. Start today, not when you feel ready, not when conditions are perfect. Your greatest comeback doesn't begin on January 1st. It begins the moment you decide to stop living below your potential. And if you stay consistent, 2026 won't just be a new year. It will be the year people say, something changed in him. If this message reaches you at the right time, share it with someone who needs it and who you care. Your share might be the reminder that helps another brother begin his own comeback. True improvement begins by fixing what's inside, so you need to master what's happening inside you. I've shared another video on mastering the nafs. May Allah make us men of consistency, courage, and strong character.